In this video, we are going to demonstrate the exciting feature introduced by Instagram, the ability to pin posts to your profile. Let's jump right in and learn how to make the most of this feature. Before we start, ensure that you have the latest version of the Instagram app installed on your device. This will ensure you have access to all the latest features, including the ability to pin posts. Once you're certain that your app is up to date, launch the Instagram app. From the main screen, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, scroll through your posts until you find the one you want to pin. Once you've located the post, tap on it to open it. In the top right corner of the post, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on these dots to open a menu of options related to the post. From the menu that appears, select the Pin to your Profile option. This action will pin the chosen post to your profile. After you've pinned a post, you'll notice that it now holds a prominent position at the top of your profile page. You can identify pinned posts by the push pin icon displayed on them. Remember that you can pin up to 3 posts or reels at the summit of your profile. If you ever wish to remove a pinned post from the top of your profile, don't worry, it's easy. Locate and open the post that you want to unpin. Once again, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, select the Unpin from Profile option and the post will no longer be pinned. That's it. You've now learned how to both pin and unpin posts on your Instagram profile. If you found it helpful, please consider supporting us by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel.